In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your webmail to Gmail. So if you have your own email address with a custom domain name, you may want to go and link this to your Gmail account. Now, it's really easy to do. We first just need to head over to our Gmail inbox. You can then click on the settings bar in the top right hand side and click on See All Settings. Now select Accounts and Import from the top navigation and click on Add Another Email Address. You then just need to type in the new email address that you want to add and then go and press Next Step. Now it should automatically go and detect the SMTP server and also the port as well. So all we need to do is enter the username and password. Now for the username, this is your email address you want to add. And then you need to go and enter the password for your email as well. And this is not the password for Gmail, this is the password for this email account here. And once you've done that, you can go and press Add Account. Now, if it doesn't work using TLS, you can try checking SSL instead and press Add Account. If it still doesn't work, then you can head over to your cPanel where your email address is located and you can click on Connect Devices. You can then scroll down to the SSL and TLS settings. And from here, go and copy the incoming server, and then we're going to paste that into the SMTP server like this. You also need to get the SMTP port number, which for me is 465, and we're going to select that from the list of options. Once you've done that, you can go and press Add Account. So now, in order for this connection to work, we need to click on the confirmation link that was sent to our registered email. So I'm just going to head over to my webmail, and I'm going to click on this confirmation link. You can then go and press confirm. And now if I head back over to my Gmail, you can see this email address has now been added. So once the email's been added, we can then go and test to make sure it's working. So click on compose in the top right hand side. You can then click on the drop down next to your email address. And you can see now we can select between the two different emails. And you can try sending an email to someone to test if this is working. So that's it guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.